Hi, BJ Posnecki. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the water filter on your refrigerator. First, we want to locate where it is, because on some refrigerators, it could be inside the actual refrigerator or outside. On this one, it happens to be down here at the bottom. Before we even start the project, we want to make sure that we order the correct filter. Typically, you can find your filter by your model and serial number of your refrigerator. I've found that usually it's best to order them on Amazon. Usually you can get like a 2-pack and they're very reasonably priced. We're going to look for a knob similar like this. Give it a good turn. Now, sometimes these can be a little stiff. Who put this in? Hercules? Oh, okay. So we're going to give it a quarter turn counterclockwise. Pull it out. We're going to take the knob off of here. If there's a cap on the filter, make sure you take that off. Put the knob onto the new filter. Usually it slides on one way or the other here. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll kind of get that centered. Could always put a little bit of water around these gaskets right here just to kind of lube them up. Put our filter back in. Sometimes we may have to spin it a little bit to see where it catches. Oh, there we go. Okay, so our knob is vertical. Give it a good push, and then we're going to give it a quarter turn clockwise. And as I'm doing that, I can hear water going into the filter. I heard I don't know if the microphone picked that up or not, but you'll hear like some pressure of extra water. I hope this video helped you change out your water filter. If it did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.